Hey guys, it is Cats here, and I'm doing Animal Jam Gosm final video. I actually already made a video, but it really sucked, and it was a big fail, so kind of not going to post that. Maybe one day I'll show y'all the video. But right now, I'm going to get an outfit to, start off the day, right? Because I haven't videoed Animal Jam ever, other than earlier, but I'm going to dress up for the best friend thing, because that happened at a point, and it gave me a whole outfit. So if I put it on, there we go. Nice outfit, but I don't like that much. So I'm gonna put some stuff on. Anyways, today is a good day because I'm starting off actually videoing Animal Jam, and I haven't done that forever, if y'all do know. But being back will be nice. So I'm gonna come back with videos. I'm gonna start making Animal Jam videos and the LPS videos I make, and I don't know why that's glitched. None of this stuff is on. Okay, so I'm going to put on an outfit. I guess this, no, and this, and this, and this. There's an outfit. So yeah, this reminds me, I got this art, but I made a couple art pieces. I'm hoping Animal Jam will approve and stuff. This one, and if y'all want these masterpieces, I guess we can sort of do a commission type thing, except not really. I might do commissions if y'all actually think my art's good. I don't know if my art's good or not, because no one has ever told me. Anyways, so yeah, if you think my art's good, just tell me, and I might make more. One of these is like a tale, and one's we all are a piece of art, an inspirational saying. So now that I'm all ready, I'm gonna look at my friends. McKay's cool, so she gets a shout out real quick, I guess, if I can find her. McKay's a good friend of mine that I became friends with, and oh, hello, Foxy. Oh, it's Five Nights at Freddy's, isn't it? Oh, cool. And it's at Fredbear. I'm just gonna add them before they kick me. Please don't kick. That's really cool. It's Five Nights at Freddy's. FNAF. Wait. FNAF. My fave. They all get shoutouts. Everyone. All these people deserve a shout out right now. Yes. All these. I'm McKay's friend. You wanna know? I'm McKay's friend. I hope she doesn't delete me after this. There we go. Don't look up Foxy. I know Foxy. Are you telling me? Because I know. Why? All I did was say I'm McKay's friend. I give up. Seriously. I can't say anything on Animal Jam. What'd you just say? Can't see it. McKay's supposed to be Mangle. Fredbear is obviously Fredbear. I don't know who Lackey is at all. I'm just gonna say what they say. Okay, so is everyone Foxy and one like Freddy? Okay, so there's one Freddy and everyone else is Foxy. Okay. I mean, oh my god. Yeah, I was right. I'm so confused now. I'm videoing. I'm videoing. I'm videoing. That does not sound like videoing. Oh well. Cool. And I'm so confused. Y'all all got shouts outs. There. Y'all all got shout outs. I'm sad now. McKay left. I just wanted to be with McKay. How can't I be with my friend? I'm gonna go to my mom's. My roleplay mom's. Hey, Mom. Oh my god, what did you do? And why does it say everyone's at Noel's Den? These random people, it just says they're at Noel's Den. Is that like some kind of hacker or something? Every time I see a person that says they're at Noel's Den, they're at their den, not Noel's Den. And why do you look like the Lost Jammer? It's not even Halloween. It's still the middle of summer. I'm so confused. Mom, why are you dressed up as a Lost Jammer? Why are you the Lost Jammer? It's still summer. There we go. What? Okay, you know what? Animal Jam, you suck. Straight up, the messaging is unbelievable. What was wrong with that? What was not appropriate? All I did was say I guess maybe they just hate the Lost Jammer. They don't want you talking about it. I'm gonna go, Mom, because, to be honest, I have no point here. And I have another mom. This is my other mom. Cool wolf girl. Who are you? Oh, that girl. I only friended you because you friended me. She had an inspirational speech. I shut up. The only thing it said was stand tall or something, or stand up or stand tall. I said that already. Here's another one of my friends. She's the schoolhouse party. I'm just gonna go to her den. Oh, hi. What you up to? Everyone friend me, Jammer2QYV4. Shout out to her too. I'm giving so many shout outs. She's really nice, by the way. So if you ever have a problem and you want someone to talk to, you should talk to her. She's nice about it. So yeah, you ever have problems, just go talk to her. I mean, I'm recording. Animal Jam, please work. Okay. Oh look, I'm recording. Say hi. So, yeah. See, she said hi. She's so nice. I'm not talking because actually I have a mic, so yeah, let's just dance. Let's have a dance party. I can't click it. Click, oh, there. A dance party. This is the weirdest video ever. Y'all are probably like, this is serious cringe. So we're going to be trading. So I'm going to show you how horrible of a trader I am. I'm going to take off all this good stuff. I got good stuff on here. And let's be realistic. I don't see her trading for my good stuff. Even though I'm going to leave my fox hat on there. I'm actually putting on some stuff I have a chance of saying yes to. Because I don't want to actually decline her. I want her to be able to get something she likes off the list. And those are just fashion, so I can't put these round glasses. Can't put that. I had to get rid of a den beta and like my spike for it, so no. Oh, by the way, y'all can send Jags if y'all want. You don't have to send a gift. I'll still read your mail, cause I know most people that get sent stuff, they probably expect to have stuff. I don't really care if I get anything, but I'd like to see y'all actually want to hang out, because you could be in the videos as long as you ask me, because I'll forget. Let's see, I'm trying to look for some non-member stuff, because we all know that she's not going to want something for members. If she can't wear it, what's the point of it? So I'm going to put that there. Even though I like it, she might have something good. So I got all my stuff on trade. Now to check her trade, which clearly she's done. We got some candy streamers, acacia pet tree, and this raccoon. I might trade the stuffed animal for hers. I don't like yellow. Oh god, no. You know what? She can have all my plushies. I'll give her all of my plushies for one plushie. You know why? Because she's a non-member, and they don't get a fair thing of like all of the stuff we get. So I mean, I think she might be able to have a plushie collection. That's cool, and some members trade good stuff for plushie collections because they think that's cool. Some people do, especially if you're cool ones. And you know, you could save up a bunch of plushies for cool one. And I'm gonna try to give her as much good stuff as I can that she can have and use, because I think that's the right thing to do. And I'm gonna give her a safety plaque, more, yeah, because it might be worth something. And there you go. There's your fair trade. That should be super fair. She's probably looking through it. That's why she's taking forever. Come on, what'd you think? Yeah, I got the raccoon. Thanks. Thanks. I don't really care about it. I'm probably just gonna give it back to you eventually. Because I don't care about it whatsoever. Although, what I do notice is that you have cool accessories and you're not even gonna put them on trade. Can you put, sorry. I don't want to be mean. Can you put accessories on trade? I like accessories. Okay, so she said, okay, right proof right there. Okay, so she should be, sorry, I can't because all my friends gave them to me. That's fine. You know, I accept that. Okay. You just trade, I mean, just, I made you a masterpiece that you can't have, but, when you can have it, you can have your masterpiece that I haven't actually made, so I'ma make you a masterpiece. I'm gonna make you a masterpiece while you get some. While you get some. So let's go to the masterpiece. So this is the finished product of what I have drawn her, and I know it's really bad, but I tried. I had to do it multiple times, but I finally made a wolf with its little paws, and it's black and a little bit of tealish type. I'm gonna use that color right there. And I think it looks good. I know it's bad, but I'm not the best at drawing yet on this game, but I just think personally this one's actually really good. And it says nice up here because I think she's nice. And I think I'll do one last thing, and that's I think all girls know this brand. Pink. There's the final thing, and hopefully she likes this. I don't know what kind of this blue one. Maybe she'll like it, hopefully. When it's done, I'll definitely give it to her. Tell me in the comments below what you thought of this. Do one last thing. Let's go back. Done. It's gonna get approved. So by the way, that painting took me like almost an hour. That's how it felt. That's literally how long it felt. So hopefully she bought some things on her trade. We got butterfly wings and this. One sec. Currently trading for my thing with a rare, cute little king plushie. And I told her to add one thing, so she should be adding any minute now. I do really hope that she likes the painting I made her. Okay, that's a good enough trade for me. See, that plushie's really cute. The Direwolf plushie. Anyways, hope y'all guys enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe. Hope you watch my next videos. Bye.